Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Searing Grill. Some of the best summer foods come off the grill, from perfectly seared vegetables to juicy burgers. These delicious foods are the hallmark of barbecues, pool parties, and other warm weather gatherings. With the Searing Grill, you can bring summer indoors anytime you want, all year long. The high 450-degree temperature locks in juices and flavor so your meals will taste fresh and look fabulous. The 118 square inch cooking surface is plenty of room for preparing a meal for friends or family. The adjustable temperature control means you can customize recipes just the way you like them. Plus, the hood, nonstick plate, and drip tray are dishwasher safe, making great food even more convenient for our busy lives. The Searing Grill from Hamilton Beach. Now that's good thinking.
George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. With over 240 square inches of cooking surface, the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill can handle up to 15 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The George Tough non-stick coating makes everything manageable. Signature Foreman heating elements deliver even heat from the center to the sides of the grill. The included removable stand allows for the complete grilling experience indoors or out. And with a removable grill plate, cleanup is beyond simple. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Grill, now serving your party of 15.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is a griddler by Cuisinart. I love this appliance. It's 4 appliances in one. It's a contact grill, so you can cook food from both sides. It's also a panini press. It also opens really, really wide, so you can put a really thick sandwich in there or a thick piece of meat. The other thing that it does is when you open it all the way, like this, it lays totally flat, and the handle becomes the leg that supports it. This way, it's a double grill, but believe it or not, when you pop out the plates and you turn them over, because they're reversible, it's now a griddle. It's really simple and easy to use. The other thing I love about this is that the plates go right in the dishwasher, so it's really easy to clean up. You can cook a homemade meal in 15 minutes or less, including the cleanup time. And this way, you see it's a double wide griddle. You can do pancakes on one side. You can do, let's say, French toast on the other side. When you have the grill side in, you can do meat and fish. You can actually do lots of vegetables. If someone's a vegetarian, you could do vegetarian-style vegetables on one side, fish or meat on the other side. The other thing that it does, as I mentioned, is it operates as a panini press, so you can make any kind of toasted sandwich. It's a really great product. It's all stainless steel, has a beautiful handle. It also has a removable drip tray right here, which collects the grease for you, and all you do is remove that. You can wash it by hand or put it in the dishwasher. It has dual thermostats. It has one for grill panini and the other one for griddle. When you operate the griddle, you use the temperature knob right here, and you set it on the proper temperature for whatever you're cooking. It's the Griddler by Cuisinart. It's 4 appliances in one. It's a lot of fun to operate, and it's very versatile. When you come home during the week from work, you can get a meal on the table in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup time.